introduce, allowed to invite that great gentleman, the Black Diamond Ambassador and the DSC member, one and only Mr. Prem Kumar. I just call him on hotspot, sir, on the spotlight. Yes, please
Yes,
welcome
good
Mr. Premji.
morning. Good morning,
Welcome, welcome.
Pravinji. Can you see me, Pravinji?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Acha. So,
Great to see you.
thank you, and wonderful 1,000 people today coming on time, and everybody is ready. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. अगर आप लोग मुझे सुन पाते तो एक बार thumbs up दीजिए. मैं गैलरी देख रहा हूँ. आप सभी लोगों को देख पा रहा हूँ. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Wonderful, lovely people from all over India. We have our Noel sir all the way from joining from Dallas. Good morning, Noel sir, joining from Dallas all the way. Sir is very, 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 very seriously doing this business at this age and inspiring us. Thank you, sir. And good, Pravinji. Okay, so I think today's program is going to be another super duper hit. Thank you very much, everybody
Blockbuster.
Joining. Right. So good. Thank you. And Ranjit is there from Mangalore. Good. Ranjit, good morning. Venu from Telangana. Neelam Agarwal, madam, good morning. Yes, everybody seriously waiting. Good. Acha, we have Dharmender Shah from Nepal, Nikhil Dubey, Gurgaon, and Mohammad Zia Abdul Bari. Assalamu alaikum, sir, from Mangalore. Right. Dakshin Kannada. Right. Good. Superb, superb. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for showing up this morning. Ye jo commitment aapka hai, your commitment is what keeps us going. And what were the subjects we were discussing? Pravinji, do you remember the subjects? Aap log chat box pe aaiye. And yes, thank you for the good morning wishes, everybody. Go to the chat box and type the week number 1, what topic we discussed, the first week. Everybody, I'm waiting. I'm looking at the chat box here. Yes, please type the first week number 1 in Webathon. What was the topic? Okay, dreams. Super. Everybody is typing dreams. Okay, wonderful. You remember that we had spoken about dreams. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, thank you. Now, okay, good. अभी आप सभी लोग सेकेंड वीक हम लोगों ने जो डिस्कस किया वो टॉपिक टाइप करना सेकेंड वीक वाला. रवि जी, my voice is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely fine.
My video is clear?
Yeah. Wonderful.
Beautiful. Okay. Second week, what was the topic? List making. Okay, good. Some people started typing. Acha, sabka aa raha hai. Oh my God, so many messages blasting here like an explosion. Right. Thank you. That was the second week. Okay, Pravinji, you can please look at the waiting room. Yes. I think some people are waiting room. Okay. Thank you, friends. List making we did, and after that we stopped for a week because we had some technical reason for that. And the third week was the last week, right, Pravinji?
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah.
Last week was the third week. And what was the last week's subject?
Prospecting.
Okay. Prospecting. Okay. Last week, not last week, last week. Okay, prospecting. And what was the last week? What did we learn last week? Last week, हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा? Contact and invitation. Okay, good. Everybody is on track. Excellent. Let me open the PPT. Type करिए. Okay, so type all the 4 in an order. सभी एक order में type करिए. Week number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will go to the 5th one. Type it in an order and give your thumbs up. Great. I will open the PPT right now. Pravinji, did we start with the Vande Mataram?
We just prayed.
Actually, okay, we prayed already. Wonderful.
Yeah,
great.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just opening the PPT. Give me a moment. Here we go, Webathon. Okay. So, thank you. Right. We are here. I remember most of you, I think most of you will remember this slide, what we discussed in the last week. Okay. Thank you. So, Pravinji, can you see the screen now?
1 second, sir. Got it.
Yes. Yeah, you can see.
Yeah. Yes.
All right. So, friends, the process of building your business, we were actually going through this amazing steps. What's the first one is in the process, we have a new sign up. जब भी हम लोग किसी को sign up करते हैं, we ask them to make a list. That's first step. We have already discussed about that. Then we make the selection, that's shortlisting out of the list what we make, and then unko we prepare them. We prepare them according to the person's personality. And after preparing, then we come, हम लोग करते हैं contacting and inviting that person to our presentation so that he can have a look at the presentation, right? And now is the time, actually the preparation, everything is done, and now is the time. अभी हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? Next उनको हम, we are going to share the plan. I would use the word share the plan rather than show the plan, or I would say present the plan. We are going to present the plan. And ये process जो है, ये हम सब लोगों को पता है. We were doing it especially in India. Of course, the US was already way ahead in terms of being digital. But this program we are going to talk. आज हम लोग ज़्यादा Indian scenario को लेकर आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं. Show the plan. So usually the show the plan was a kind of a physical activity which we were doing. In fact, I have encouraged people not to show the plan over a phone call, discuss over a phone call or anything like that, and sending an email or WhatsApp and all that. So but today since we have this digital world, so today more I'm going to talk about, मैं ज़्यादा आज current situation को लेके show the plan segment के बारे में आज मैं बात करने जा रहा हूँ. So let me explain to you what happened with Corona, the COVID-19 के साथ क्या हो रहा है. See, before this, we were the masters in the stage. Praveen ji, do you remember that? आप लोगों को याद होगा, अरुण जी हमारे साथ हैं.
Yeah.
So हमारा one second, yeah. हमारा सबसे बड़ा ताकत ये हुआ करता था कि हम we were the masters on the stage. एक बार prospect को सामने बिठा दिया, शायद वो 1-to-1 हो या it is digital, we were the masters in sharing the plan with the body language and expressions and,
exactly.
and things like that. One second, I think my video is getting messed here probably because my video, I was trying to put on a digital what do you call HD video.
DSLR.
Yes, I will just go ahead and close that one. If I close that, it will be open now. Okay, so we were actually the masters in terms of presenting the plan. And how many of you were very good in presenting a plan? एक बार type करिए या thumbs up दीजिए. You can say yes if you have done a one-to-one presentation. अगर आपने किसी को one-on-one presentation दिया तो please type it in the chat box. Yes, okay. You can see here. Swati Arjun Veera from Hyderabad typing. Okay. Simanta's iPhone, sir, I am. Okay. Everybody knows that. We know that we were very, very good, and business was going so well, and suddenly जो आपका सबसे बड़ा ताकत जो है वो आपका सबसे बड़ा weakness बन गया. सबसे बड़ा ताकत was presenting the plan on the stage or on a one-on-one basis, and suddenly you are ripped off, you are taken away. That blessing, or I would say that skill is lost. The skill is lost. So what happens in a digital world? Aaj we are going to talk more to it actually and understand digitally हम लोगों को कैसे वो क्या कह सकता हूँ, मतलब प्लान जो होता है इंडस्ट्रियल प्लान वो कैसे हम लोग दे सकते हैं और उसके अंदर हमें क्या क्या तैयारी करना पड़ेगा अपने आप के लिए. Right? So are you all ready for that? If you are ready, please give me a thumbs up. Once again, a thumbs up. Superb. Okay, lovely. So let me once again share the same screen here. Remember, if you go to the step number 5, अगर आप बिना preparation step number 5 पे जाओगे, offline or online, physical or digital, जो भी आप करेंगे, you will not be able to go to the next step after showing the plan. Our intention, हमारा intention ये नहीं है कि हम दुनिया के सभी लोगों को प्लान दिखाएं. No, we don't want to show the plan to the entire world, क्योंकि we want to show it to a selected number of people. For example, when I am playing football, If I want some good players, I will pick up the football players. If I'm building a cricket team, I will pick up a cricket team. If I'm playing a basketball, I will go for a very good basketball performers. So similarly, यहाँ पर we have to understand, we have to prepare the people before we show the plan. I think उसके बारे में we have discussed sufficient. ज्यादा हम लोगों ने इसके बारे में बात किया, तो अभी मैं सिर्फ ये रिमाइंडर देना चाहता हूँ. Show the plan. You have to be prepared, you have to prepare the prospect to listen to the plan, right? So digital दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है? What is happening in the digital world? तो डिजिटल में और फिजिकल में क्या फर्क है, हम लोग सुनते हैं एक पार्टिसिपेंट से. आज मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को जानता हूं. ओके, लेट्स पिक अर्जुन हियर. गुड मॉर्निंग अर्जुन, एंड मिसेस अर्जुन, कम ऑन द स्पॉटलाइट. Okay, so Arjun, you have been into the direct selling, network marketing business for quite a while. Please tell us, हमें बताइए. You can talk in English, it's okay, no problem. हिंदी हमारे लोग जानते ही हैं. So you can tell us what is the fundamental difference. Before you were going to meet somebody and show them a plan or a product demonstration, and you used to go to the hall where there were 100 people or 150 people, 500 people, and present the plan. So that was a kind of a strength for us. It was the biggest strength, because it was the stage selling skill what we had, the stage selling skill or a one-to-one physical selling skill. And now after COVID-19, I think why I picked you basically, Arjun, because you have been a COVID-19 hero in our team. You have got more success in the COVID-19 times than before COVID-19. दोस्तों आज यहाँ पर पर्दे पर जो देख पा रहे हैं मिस्टर एंड मिसेस अर्जुन, इन लोगों ने डिजिटल दुनिया में कमाल करके दिखाया. इसलिए मैं आज इन लोगों को पिक किया आज बात करने के लिए कि हमारे साथ शेयर करेंगे व्हाट इज द फंडामेंटल डिफरेंस. अर्जुन, इफ यू कैन टेल अस, वी विल ब्रेक दैट इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस एंड देन ट्राई टू arrange it in a very structured manner. Right, over to Arjun. Yes, Arjun, so please tell me first about the physical world. What were the advantages in the physical world? Praveen ji, what are the advantages? Yes, one second.
Advantages.
Yeah, okay. Praveen ji, before he starts, he will open the chat box.
Yeah.
You can
I actually could see a lot of advantages in the digital world right now. But if you go to the physical advantages,
yeah, we should remember our old skills
yes,
also.
Old advantages.
One second, friends. Arjun, I am going to take this help of this whiteboard here. Praveen ji, can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Wonderful. So friends, I'm demonstrating how to actually present in a digital world. Already I started the training. So please everybody have a look at the screen. Okay. So इससे पहले I presented a few points in the PPT. Now I'm using a digital tool. यहाँ पर मैं यूज कर रहा हूं. सो अर्जुन, प्लीज गो अहेड. एंड फ्रेंड्स, ये जो व्हाइट बोर्ड आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं, दिस इज नॉट अ पेड थिंग. एनीबडी हु इज हैविंग अ जूम ऐप, आप लोग इसको जब शेयर स्क्रीन पे जाएंगे, वहां पर एक व्हाइट बोर्ड का ऑप्शन होता है. When you go to share screen, there is a whiteboard option. 1 second, let me demonstrate that also to you through the digital means. I'm just taking a screenshot of my own laptop. यहाँ पर देखिए आप लोग, मैं actually अपना खुद का लैपटॉप का स्क्रीनशॉट अभी ले रहा हूं और वो स्क्रीनशॉट आपके सामने मैं रखने जा रहा हूं. 1 second. Yes, okay, I have taken a screenshot now. Now let me go to the desktop and show you how that looks. आपको कैसे दिखता है मैं यहाँ पर आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ. So screenshot, which is the screenshot which I took this morning. Okay. Renji, can you see the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Open
yes,
here.
Yeah.
दोस्तों ये है स्क्रीनशॉट और यहाँ पर आप लोग देख सकते हैं. 1 second. या सो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि व्हाइट बोर्ड लेफ्ट साइड में फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ब्लू कलर में जो है. कैन यू सी अर्जुन दैट वन?
Yes.
This,
Not it.
It's not opened, I think.
it's not open.
The folder it is showing the folders.
Folder. 1
Yeah.
second. I will share it now. It will open now. Yeah. Can you people see the screen? Actually,
Yes,
this is the screen, real screen.
Yes.
Yes. Praveen ji, can you see the whiteboard option here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
या
Whiteboard, the
दोस्तों
first
यहाँ
thing.
पर देखिए व्हाइट बोर्ड जो लिखा है वो ऑप्शन अगर आप लोग क्लिक करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली, और स्पेशली लेट मी टेल यू, जूम ऐप आपको डिजिटली अगर आप बिजनेस बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं, यू मस्ट यूज ऑलवेज अ लैपटॉप, नॉट अ मोबाइल फोन. जो लोग मोबाइल फोन पर जूम पर हैं, शायद ये फीचर आप लोग एक्सेस नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो सून यू हैव टू अपग्रेड टू अ लैपटॉप. एंड लेट मी नाउ स्टॉप शेयरिंग दिस वन and let me go to the whiteboard now. और मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि how to engage your audience in the digital arena. Can you see the whiteboard now, Praveen ji?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So दोस्तों ये है whiteboard option. अभी अभी मैंने आपको जो बताया, and here आपको यहाँ पर बहुत सारे tools है. Like you can use all those tools, and I'm going to use those tools. अभी मैं इस्तेमाल करूंगा tools को. आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि how beautifully you can use this feature. So Praveen ji, can you see the box here?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Offline Viva advantages. Okay. Yeah. Tell me, Arjun.
Offline, we used to have a lot of command on the guest, sir. Like we used to have at least the eye contact. We used to have the eye contact. We
Okay.
can
Control
understand
over audience.
Yes, sir. Control over audience.
Was
Rather
easy.
than audience, I would say the word participants.
Participants.
Okay. Right. Next.
And
Emotions. What you said. You know, face reading. Something.
emotions. We can lot of emotions can be carried, sir. In
Okay.
the
It can be communicate emotion.
yes, sir.
Okay. Emotions. Okay. Next.
And you know.
Think about the many years ago. Once upon a
Yes,
time.
advantages. I know the complete shift is offline disadvantages. I'm writing down.
I know you're very difficult, finding difficult to find out. आपको बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है यहाँ पर advantages बताने के लिए. ठीक है, no problem. We will take from the audience also. हमारे audience भी है. Please, friends, open your chat box and type some points here. And Arjun will agree with that.
Offline, we could understand. We can take feedback, very frequent feedback from them also.
Okay, get feedback.
Yes.
Okay, good.
And involvement would be more. We would ask questions. Yes.
More engaged. Okay, super.
More engaged.
And if you are telling about the vibration of the hall,
Yes.
leaders' vibration and the hall
That,
atmosphere.
You know, spirit, quality. We used to have all those things, sir.
Energy, clapping energy.
You know,
Clapping
there are 10 to that crowd energy was very, very important. That used to convert into synergy, and that result used to be very positive.
Okay, is the energy
There we used to shout. Now we can't shout at all.
Yes, sir.
Arun
Everybody are muted.
Arun को भी कुछ
Everybody
points
are
बोलना
muted.
होगा. Arun is a stage hero. Actually, Arun is a stage hero. तो Arun यहाँ पर कुछ points बोलिए. आपका पुराना एक जमाने में होता था एकता राजा एकता रानी वैसे, right? Okay, so energy and any other points? Yes, people can post in the chat box also. Praveen ji, please encourage people in the chat box.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can we have the chat box open? Yes. Physical hands up, claps, dance. Oh, thank you. आप लोग मुझे पुरानी यादें दिला रहे हैं, which I'm missing a lot actually. Okay, dance. Okay, I would say dance.
Music.
Okay, music was actually our very great friend for a long time. Actually.
Music was important energy.
Okay, music. Okay.
सर स्वागत नहीं कर सकते सर.
क्या बोलिए?
मतलब हमारा जो आपका वेलकम था ना सॉन्ग सर, सबको करेंगे एक साथ, मतलब स्वागत, मतलब
टैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत.
यस.
अभी डिजिटल से करेंगे सबका स्वागत. अभी स्वैग से नहीं होगा, अभी डिजिटल से होगा. Okay, right. High energy music, and after that,
Taguru song. Somebody is telling Taguru song. Taguru song was playing very important role, it seems.
Which song?
Especially in Andhra and Telangana, that song is very famous because of Prem sir.
Okay, good. Any other points in the physical world? I would say, I think something which is missing here is, face reading.
Yes, sir.
True.
Body language. We had the access to see the people's body language. Right now, you are confined to this 12:8 screen. What you are seeing me. Rest of the body is not visible. So the body language also is, body language. That was there. And anything else? Anything else? Physical offline world.
And even the touch, the feeling, the touch, we used to handshake. All no.
We used to move. We used to move around.
Human touch.
Yes.
And physically active.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Good. Right. Okay. Anything else? Praveen ji, Arun ji, और कुछ है?
And That's
Please
what people used to dress well those days because they were supposed to enter hall. Nowadays, no, they don't worry about dressing.
Okay. Okay. So it was like you can be well presented.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good offline advantage. चलिए अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा ध्यान देंगे. All the participants. अच्छा, Praveen ji, please look at the chat box. Our
Yes,
okay,
sir, yeah.
smile, physical contact, handshake. Okay, somebody
Photo with leaders.
handshake.
Yes.
Okay. You know, taking. We used to have a kind of intimacy.
Yeah.
I would say intimacy, Praveen ji, with uplines.
Yes. Exactly. True.
Intimacy. Yeah, okay, and concentration, team gathering, dress up only upper part. Somebody's written. Arun D'Souza. Thank you very much. And I'm missing. Okay, Praveen ji, grand recognition, very important.
Yeah, that's what. Recognition.
Recognition was
Stage recognition.
Yeah, public speaking or stage performance.
Yeah.
So these were the advantages. And COVID-19 had actually taken these things away from us. Okay. So now, okay, testimonials. We could see testimonials. Somebody said that. Thank you very much. It also comes in the part of stage sharing. Okay. Let's also put live testimony. Moreover, it was live actually, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Live testimonials.
Product we can taste. We can make the product test. Testing.
Okay,
Testing
product
party.
display and tasting. जैसे यहाँ पर मैं iCharge पी रहा हूँ. अच्छा, thank you guys. Okay, good, super. Now Praveen ji, let's get into another beautiful part of it. That is, what is the current situation here during the COVID-19 in the. Let's talk about the digital world. So चलिए, now मुझे पता है आप लोगों का बहुत ज्यादा points आएंगे यहाँ पर. So let's talk about the digital Viva. Okay, I'll disable the chat. You read out the chat for me.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Digital Viva advantages, or I would say rather than advantages, features. Here also, I'm not taking advantages. I'm just talking about features. Then we will take the advantages. Okay. Right. Now, please go ahead. What is the digital world?
No traveling.
Okay. No travel. Praveen ji is first.
No traveling.
Okay. उसके बाद?
No borders and no boundaries. No boundaries.
Okay. No boundaries. Super. That's the reason today, Mr. Noel from America. Mr. Noel from all the way from Dallas is attending our program. I think it's evening, probably there around 9:30 in Dallas, Texas. So he's attending. No boundaries. Okay, next.
We can save a lot of time and money.
Okay, save
a lot of time and money.
Save lots of money. This is a very important point.
And money.
My dear entrepreneurs, यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग हैं, for an entrepreneur, this point is very important. NROOM. What is this? NROOM stands for never run out of money. Okay. So this point, remember this. This is a very important thing for an entrepreneur. When an entrepreneur.
Normally, 1,000 members program is a very big mega event.
Yeah.
Now every Thursday we are doing. Every day we are doing.
Correct. I agree with you. So now let
promotion.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So promotion and the quantity of the people can be very high.
Okay, super. So it is having its own advantage. So I'll just come back to this part. Let me finish.
And also
location can be easily developed. New location. Otherwise, we need to go physically to develop a new location. So we can develop that.
Okay, never run
Physically,
out of...
Premsar is available in only one place, but digitally, Premsar is available across the world now.
You mean to say I have become Sarvantaryami?
Yes. That's the advantage of digital Viva.
Okay, now let's go by one. Lots of money. That's what Swati said last. After that, yeah.
Sir, lot of women, those who are not able to come to hall, they are getting best advantage by
So it's
sitting at
called as-
home.
It's women oriented,
Oh, yeah,
or I would say women advantage. Let's use the word women advantage,
yeah,
because I am seeing that today the ladies are doing extremely well in this 12 by 8 rather than before the physical world. Today they are more engaged, right? So it's got its own women advantage. And after
true.
that, और बोलिए, no boundaries and something like I think Vishal ji आप बोल रहे थे ना?
Yes, sir. The new can be developed easily.
Pardon?
Without
Please tell me once
New-
again, Vishal.
develop easily the new location. If we are starting a new location in our net, easily
Business expansion.
business
System
is more
systems can be duplicated easily in any part.
What is that, Arjun?
System can be duplicated, sir.
Okay. Better reach
Better reach, yes. That is a new
of
system can be
education.
developed. Yes.
Okay, super.
Yes, sir. We, starting VOP was the biggest challenge before in a new location. So right now that is, starting a new location in a VOP, so we can easily connect the new team. That is
Actually, quality duplication is happening through digital, sir. Quality duplication.
Quality duplication. Right. Wonderful. Praveen ji, you can give the option
Yeah.
to some emeralds also. You can make them like Ranjit and all to unmute
Yes,
themselves. I think Manas is there, Hirak is there. We have Anand
Yeah,
Kulal. So all the sapphires, if possible. I'm making you the host. I will become the.
Yeah, few of them already I have made
You
actually.
have made them.
Few of
Okay, so good. Engage, please engage all my lovely sapphires and above. Even some emeralds also. You can give them the opportunity.
Yeah, I'm giving
Stay
Ranjit.
with us. Sharavan, good morning, Sharavan. I'm making you co-host. Unmute yourself. Okay, you can also speak out. And Ranjit, our guys from
Anand.
Bangalore. Ranjit, good morning, Ranjit. Okay, 999 and 1000 again. Okay,
morning.
people are.
Anand ji.
Anand ji is there with us
Yeah,
because they are all very experienced people here in this field. Anand ji, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yes, Anand ji, please tell us some अच्छे points हमें बताइए यहाँ पर हम बता सकते हम लिख सकते हैं. Quality duplication. After that, any other points in the digital world? Save a lot of time, save a lot of money, save a lot of travel. No, I would say low working capital. Low working capital.
And it's a home-based business.
You people have to say this word, very important. More profits, dear entrepreneurs.
Yes, sir. More profit.
Yes, yes, yes.
And yes, Ranjit,
More
Ranjit,
saving.
go ahead, Ranjit.
We can say it's now we can say it is a home-based business to everyone.
Correct. Home-based
Home-based
business.
And those
And
people
this
who
is
are
a
inactive in the
point.
system, those people who are inactive in the business,
Tell me again, Ranjit.
maybe-
Come back, Ranjit.
the people those who are inactive in this business, maybe in some reason they cannot afford for money. Like they're very when we invite to them GSM,
Uh-huh.
the reason for that to paying the money, they
Okay.
were inactive in the business. So right
Okay.
now, those people can easily connect to this without investing anything. You can connect to that VOP or GSM or any training.
Super point, Ranjit. I absolutely agree with you because it is true. I am seeing that happening actually.
More of part-timers are involving now. More of part-timers and paid-timers
More
are involving.
part-time,
They used to say a reason of not having time. Now, sitting in house, they are able to spend time on their business.
super.
managing time is very easy.
Yes, Vishal ji, बोलिए.
Time management according to the the team or according to the prospect, we can easily manage our time.
Okay. It is more prospect friendly. Prospect friendly, right? Why it is getting.
Teaching and training has become very simple, I believe, sir.
1 second. Friendly.
सर
Okay.
ट्रेवलिंग कम हो गया, खर्चा कम हो गया.
कौन है वो?
डीजल.
लैंग्वेज से मुझे लग रहा है हीरक है. लैंग्वेज से मुझे लग रहा है ये आवाज में बहुत समय से जानता हूँ इस आवाज को. यस, बोलिए हीरक जी, बोलिए.
सर खर्चा बहुत कम हो गया.
अच्छा, मैं लिख दिया यहाँ पर.
हो गया.
आपका यहाँ पर पॉइंट ऑलरेडी है, इसीलिए मैं इसका टिक ले रहा हूँ सिर्फ. यस, मैं टिक कर रहा हूँ बस यहाँ पर. देखिए, आई कैन यूज दिस कॉल्ड अ स्टैम्प. एक ऑप्शन है स्टैम्प. यहाँ पर स्टैम्प लेके मैं आई कैन पॉइंट आउट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ पर देखिए, can you see this point, blue color here? I put a
Yeah.
arrow.
Yes, yes.
So this is also a stamp. तो thank you हीरक जी. और कुछ बोलिए हीरक जी, और कोई पॉइंट्स है हीरक जी? एंड ये मेरा हार्ट भी लगा देता हूँ यहाँ पर. Last month I have got a highest profit, so I'm very happy about it. And I would say I would go ahead and put a heart here. I would give a star for this. Actually, this is a star point here. Again, I would give one more for women advantage. This is a star point here to be taking away today. And I would again go ahead and say this is more star point here, right? And again, this is another star point.
No travel also deserve a star for you.
Okay, I put 2 stars for this. Vishalji. And for this, I would put 2 more stars.
And you can go and give keynote speech everywhere. Any
Okay.
state.
Yes, actually, दोस्तों, actually कल मेरा ऐसा हो गया था, 6:30 का 2 VOP चल रहा है. So मैं first VOP में 7:30 को गया, 7:50 exit हुआ. Second VOP में 7:50 to 8. 2 keynote speech, and that too, one is Hyderabad and one more is Delhi.
Such a long distance.
अगर physical world में अगर मुझे ये करना होता, तो I have to travel, 15 hours to give a 15-minute speech. That's what my mentor says. Good. So, nice. Okay. So now any other points, Pravinji, please take from the chat box. Our people are also sharing
Yes. Few
education.
people are they're mentioning family, entire family can be involved.
Yes. Yogini is telling from Mumbai, lot of sale. I think that is, and one point which we missed actually, let's say, increased sales.
Minimum effort, maximum results.
Okay, superb. I think that's a beautiful point. Minimum effort.
Maximum result.
That's what we call leverage, right?
Leverage time.
Leveraging.
The family is able to understand what we are doing now.
Thanks.
Earlier, family used to blame, I think, no, Arjun?
Everybody used to blame.
Just-
Traveling a lot. What are you? They used to not understand what we are doing. They only
Where
understand
you're going?
we are in complete travel.
Yeah.
They used to ask question, where you're going and all
Where
that.
are you going? Why is this much travel?
Why late coming?
They used to think that we are just going outside and moving around.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hotels and all.
Okay. I'm just putting this on, friends. Minimum effort, maximum results. Okay. I'm taking this. Now, yeah. Now we have arrived at a very nice concluding points here.
And finally, one more thing is there, Prem sir.
Yes. What is that, Pravinji? Please tell me.
Safety precaution in
Okay.
health wise.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
It is COVID friendly.
COVID friendly, correct.
We have to put this point on top.
Yes, sir.
COVID friendly, out of danger.
Okay. This is the first point you people have told me.
Yes, yes.
Rather than friendly, it is proof, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is I think I would go ahead and say pandemic proof. New
Yes,
word.
sir. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay wealthy.
Correct. So this is absolutely, I think I would say, the first feature of this digital world, because today I am seeing my friends, those are traveling and working, their families are very much disturbed. Families are very much disturbed. Those who are जो लोग travel कर रहे हैं, उनकी families बहुत disturbed हैं. Good. I think we got a very good number of points here. Yes. Okay. I put some stars here. So because of the star, let me keep it like this. Okay. Good. Nice points. Thank you, guys. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so good, friends. So now let us go into the next point here, how to keep people engaged. Okay, so please, if you want to save this, I'm going to save this. I'm going to put a copy in the chat box. This is another digital advantage. Earlier, I used to carry the physical paper, kind of giving the presentation and all. It was, I used to show the plan in this and all that. So, ये paper का जो है, again, this is more, I would say, environmental friendly, green. It's more, kind of a go green project.
Go green.
Go green. I think somebody has not muted. Guys, check your sound. So mute if you can mute it. So that way, I would say now, see, I'm going to put everything in the chat box. People can take this copy. अभी आप लोग ये copy लेकर जा सकते हैं. 1 second. It's yeah. I would type it here. Okay, Pravinji, can you see the chat box? Are you getting something? Yes, I wanted to just put one file here. I'm not able to put it. Chat box should be open, no? You disabled it, Pravinji? Okay. Yes, everybody in the meeting room. Yeah, now I got it. I'm going to put this file into this. You people can take it. Pravinji, just open the file if you can and see if you got this copy. And today's morning, yeah, whiteboard is here. Save it. Saved it. Yes. So friends, मैं आपको ये कॉपी अभी हम लोगों ने जो बात किया यहाँ पर ये कॉपी चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया. Can you guys see here now? Did you get it? Kindly bear with me. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm just putting this chat box. Yes. Yeah. I sent it to, in fact, Ajay Himachal. Yeah. Now did you get it? Yeah. I put in the chat box. Please आप लोग chat box open करिए. अभी मैंने यहाँ पर जो discuss किया वो आप लोगों को एक copy दे दिया मैं. Praveen ji, did you get it? Anybody who got it, please give me a thumbs up. अगर आपको
Yes, sir. We got it. We got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the beauty. This is the beauty here. Can you just open it, Praveen ji? Can you see that?
1 second. You want me to share or?
Yeah, you can share it. Can you share it?
1 second. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, guys, if you get it, please. No, sir. Nobody got it. अच्छा, जो लोग मोबाइल पर हैं, आप लोगों को शायद नहीं मिलेगा. Those who are in laptop will get it.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Got it. Okay, superb, superb, superb. Who's going to share it? Who's going to share it now?
I'll just share.
Anybody? Praveen ji, can you share it?
Yeah.
Yeah, please share it. So this is the beauty of digital, world. See, देखिए दोस्तों, जो मैं अभी यहाँ पर शेयर किया था, टाइप किया था, ये पॉइंट्स मैं अपने गेस्ट को ऐसे मैं दे सकता हूँ. एक पेपर प्लान जो भी मैंने बनाया, ये मैं अपने गेस्ट को दे सकता हूँ. Right? Thank you, Praveen, for sharing it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yashvit also got it. Yeah, wonderful.
Basically, all your videos can be recorded, all your trainings can be recorded and reused.
Okay, that's another advantage. I think we forgot to mention that.
Yes, sir.
Right. Good.
Stop.
You can stop sharing, Praveen. So friends, now let us go into the real presentation here. Okay. So I'm telling you one thing. In the digital world, your efforts are minimum. What Ranjit told us here. आप लोगों को ये बिल्कुल याद रखना होगा. This is a very important point. In the digital world, if you can be a team player, if you can be, अगर आप एक team player बन सकते हैं, if you can be little smart, अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी smartly सोच सकते हैं, and if you can align, the word is align. So let me again explain to you that with the help of a whiteboard once again. Praveen ji, can you see here?
Yeah.
देखिए मैं एक पेज, this is my page number 1. I can keep going on. This is my page number 2. इस प्रकार मैं 100 pages, 1000 pages तक भी मैं जाते रहूंगा. So this is my page number 1. Now I'm going to page number 2. Let me tell you here, आप लोग कैसे, how you can use this. Okay. So first thing is we have Vibrant Viva. Vibrant Viva is there. You have to understand this. Okay. Now let me make this little bit more bigger. Maybe 36. Yeah. Color also I'll make it maybe blue color. Praveen ji, can you see the color?
Yes, sir.
Superb. Arjun, you can see, right? Yes. Okay. So now Vibrant Viva is there, and uske baad there is something called as your upline. Okay. Let me draw here. LOS. And then we have U here. आप यहां पर है, फिर U, your U, and नीचे होगा इसके नीचे yes. Ranji, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this meeting control is becoming your team, I would say. Organization. Okay, so get aligned with what Vibrant Viva is giving. जो Vibrant Viva की तरफ से हमें दिया जा रहा है, or whatever uplines are giving, if you are aligned to this. Okay, first of all, this arrow is not aligned. Let me align the arrow. Okay, yeah, now it's okay. And then if you can use everything and align your entire organization, अपनी organization को अगर आप align कर सकते हैं, so this can become a very, very, very powerful thing for you. So, for example, in the digital world, how to show the plan? आज भी हम लोग ये बात कर रहे हैं. Let me tell you, आपको you have to use the Vibrant Viva programs maximum. Ranji, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Fine.
You have to use the Vibrant Viva programs maximum. Just for example, you have a guest, okay? So your entire organization, whatever guests you are having, let me use a circle also here, right? So this is your organization, okay? Then, so connect all your guests, whoever is generated from your organization, and put them onto the prospects. And even today, the customers also can become, you know, a part of our webinars or our Zoom programs, Dr. Balu's Facebook Live. Okay, so all the prospects, you just connect them to the programs which is happening by Vibrant Viva. So use all the Vibrant Viva programs so that आपको मतलब अभी ज्यादा आपको one-to-one presentation या plan presentation इससे ज्यादा you have to have the very important skills. I will just share it here. There are 5 skills which are very important as an Indus Viva, I would say, entrepreneur in the network marketing world. So the first one comes, one second, I think this control here, hide floating, okay, floating media control, okay, right. Now, Pravinji, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the first one is, again, this is not hiding. Show one second.
Yeah.
Hide video panel. Show video panel, not video panel. I think hide floating control. Yeah. So, Franji, can you see the screen now?
Yeah. Recruitment.
Recruitment skills. I'll take it a little higher. And make this size also a little bit smaller. What is the size here? Is it 24, 14? 14. It's too small, right? Let me
Very small, very small.
24. Okay. Recruitment skills. Then comes retail skills. What is the third one? Anybody?
Communication.
Okay, let me take this. Then comes
Promotion.
Organizing.
then
Promotion.
Promotion.
yes, superb. Okay, so abhi dekhiye, right now in this particular bracket of skill set जो आपको होना चाहिए, this is called as a skill set. In this, I would say the most important, especially digital world के अंदर आपका ये skill होगा, one of the most important skill. So you need to just keep that in mind. Let me reverse that arrow. Instead of showing it outside, I would put it inside. Okay. So this skill is going to be your most important skill क्योंकि अभी आपके सामने resources, everything is ready. सिर्फ आपको क्या करना होगा, what you have to do, make sure you're organizing because you are a bridge. Let me put this here. You are a bridge between your team and the system. Okay, so remember this point very well. You are a bridge between your team and the system. So make sure that you are not messing up the things and organizing everything in a very proper manner so that people don't get confused and use the system in a proper way. Right? Let me make it italics so that it remains here as a special one. Okay, good. So Pravinji, can you see this here? Okay. Okay, so this is what you have to bridge.
Yes, sir. You have to
bridge whatever जो भी कंपनी की तरफ से मिल रहा है, resources, support, trainings, KYP, whatever kind of resources available from company, because right now company का जो level होता है, see, this is like there is a situation in every company. Initially, setting up the company is beginning of the company's protocol, maybe for the first 5 years. After the first 5 years, company जब setup हो गया, company का next level plan होता है, जो हमारे अंदर कंपनी के अंदर जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं, सेल्स टीम जो होता है, उस सेल्स टीम का जो सेल्स एंड एफिशिएंसी जो है उसको बढ़ाने का काम कंपनी विल डू. सो राइट नाउ इंडस वीवा कंपनी इज एनेबलिंग आपको इतने सारे resources company is giving. How many of you know about the e-commerce store link option? It is such an amazing feature. अभी मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, e-commerce store link is such an amazing feature. ये नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग को रेवोल्यूशनाइज कर सकता है बिकॉज ई कॉमर्स इटसेल्फ इज एन अमेजिंग billion dollar business. E-commerce, especially online learning, especially the e-commerce platform. So this is going to be like, for example, my iCoffee will be sold. मेरा जो iCoffee है ये एक ऐसे आदमी को मैं सेल करूंगा जिसको मैं जानता भी नहीं. ये नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग को रेवोल्यूशनाइज करेगा क्योंकि थ्रू दिस ई कॉमर्स लिंक आप बहुत सारे लोगों को, कस्टमर्स को प्रोडक्ट विदाउट इवन मीटिंग, उनसे मिले बिना भी आप प्रोडक्ट रिटेल कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द पावर ऑफ ई कॉमर्स. सो कंपनी इज राइट नाउ enabling हमें बहुत सारी चीजें अभी, स्पेशली डिजिटली तो मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, इट इज एक्सप्लोडिंग विथ lot of add-ons, lot of tools. So first thing, Vibrant Viva की तरफ से जो भी प्रोग्राम होगा, use that program. Any language, if you want it, you ask your upline, but don't be, you should always go through your upline to whatever program is happening. So if the upline is telling you to use it, आप लोग यूज करें क्योंकि upline का एक अपना plan होता है. So align with your upline, and then upline and you will align with Vibrant Viva. So this alignment आपको, it will help you a lot. So make sure that you are behaving as a bridge between your company's resources and the team members so that आपके team members automatically plug in हो सकते हैं. So आज की तारीख में one of the most important skill is your organizing skills. Organizing skills का मतलब you have to organize everything. For example, today in Zoom हम लोगों ने इस प्रोग्राम को ऑर्गेनाइज किया. मैंने अपने टीम मेंबर्स को बताया, उन्होंने उनके टीम मेंबर्स को बताया, सभी लोग यहां पर शामिल है, एवरीबडी इज प्रेजेंट हियर. सो दिस इज वन की इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल, स्पेशली डिजिटल दुनिया के अंदर. अगर आप डायमंड बनना चाहते हैं, आई वांट टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ न्यू वर्ड हियर, digital diamonds. Digital diamonds. Okay, so if you want to become a digital diamond, if you want to become a digital diamond, all you need to do is make sure that you are aligning with the company's system, and that way you will be able to do much better things in the coming days. Okay, so now let me take you to the plan presentation part here. I'm going to take you to the way how you can present. आप किस प्रकार से plan present कर सकते हैं. Before that, whatever prospects and customers you have, अपने prospects को काम पर लेकर जाना चाहिए. You have to take them to VOP. Okay, this is too large in size. Let me just size it down. And the color also, let me keep it black, and I don't need an italic. Okay, so VOP, Viva, oh God. Okay, there are many new people, नए लोग भी आज हैं हमारे साथ, इसीलिए I am just keeping the things very basic, so don't mind friends. So this is VOP, and then now let me take you to the next one, that is KYP, that is Know Your Products, and also it is called as Dr. Balu Live in FB, I would say Facebook Live. Okay, so make sure that you are using these two also in an effective manner, and so this will be for your prospects, especially those who are in the business, and this will become for the customers, especially Dr. Balu Live. So use these programs in a very effective manner, ताकि आप अपने efforts कम करते हुए, you have to be very smart right now. You have other skills. आपका ये जो skills यहाँ पर बताया जा रहा है, for example, recruitment skill, retailing skill, all the skills are very crucial skills. But at the same time, if you are smart enough by keeping this, organizing skill, especially on a very clear part of organizing everything in a proper manner, you have to be able to become a very successful person in this business, right? So this is the page number 2. Let me save this. How many of you want this page? You tell me, I will put it in the chat box. How many of you want this? Okay, let me take you to the chat box. Okay, please share the pic. Who's that? Okay, Steve is saying please share the pic. Okay, everyone in the meeting room. Waiting room में भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Praveen ji, I don't know how many are in the waiting room. How many are there?
Six. Many are there, sir, actually.
Okay, I think many are unable to connect also, right?
13, yeah.
Okay, let me put this into the chat box. Did you get it? The message in the chat box, everybody? Just give me a thumbs up अगर आपको मिला तो एक बार. Got it? Okay, so this page also is done. Now let me go to the next page. Next page, I'm going to go to the page number 3. Okay, now abhi dekhiye, I have already, it's been 40 minutes now, 1 hour 10 minutes now. Already मैं आप लोगों को engaged रखा. If you feel you were engaged from the beginning of this training, please give me a thumbs up. I just want to see the gallery. Just give me a thumbs up. Let me see how people are enjoying this program today. Gallery view. Okay, lovely. Acha, thank you. Superb. Thanks for the thumbs up, guys. I'm seeing everybody. Nikhil Dubey, as usual, energy, I charge man. Teli Naku from Arunachal Pradesh. You know, India में जब सूरज उगता है तो पहला किरण अरुणाचल में जाता है, इसीलिए Arunachal, यानी the first ray of sun. Okay, so from there we have Teli Naku, and also down south Mohammad Zia Abdul Bari, and we have Mr. Sundar Vajpayee from Bangalore. Thank you. Prashant Jadhav, Panchgani, Maharashtra से हैं हमारे साथ. Good, superb, guys. I'm just looking at all of you because I don't get a chance. Hello, Anand Kulalji, good morning. Balashankar, Bangalore, good morning, sir. Ravi Kulal, Bangalore. Hi, Malini Madam, Namaste. Mira Road से या Bangalore से पता नहीं Malini Madam कहाँ पर हैं. Okay, good. We have Jyoti Kavita, Star 1000, Karnataka. Good morning, Jyoti Madam, Kavita Madam. Good morning. Superb, right? I think you people are enjoying today's session. Ritu Deka Madam, hello Madam, Arunachal से. Saurabh Agarwal, Muradabad, नहीं दिल्ली से. उनका बिजनेस है मुरादाबाद. Ravi Messi ji from Faridabad. Good morning, Ravi Messi ji. Sadashiv from Dharwad. गुड. सरिता चरण. वसंती मैडम को आप लोगों को मैं एक बार रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, यहाँ पर वसंती मैडम हमारे साथ हैं, इनको आप लोग एक बार क्लैप करेंगे. शी इज द हीरो, शी इज द हीरो. एट द एज ऑफ 69 last week, madam has completed star 1000 rank and she is doing business in a very, very beautiful manner. She is an example and a role model for all of us today, because at this age 69 she is showing the spirit of an entrepreneur. She has been doing extremely well. Thank you Vasanti madam, congratulations once again. Okay, so that was Vasanti madam दोस्तों, and now we will also go forward. चलिए मैं आपको फिर से अपना प्रेजेंटेशन के अंदर लेकर जा रहा हूं. सो गैलरी में बहुत सारे लोग हैं. सॉरी इफ आई डिडंट टेक योर नेम. विनय, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. रजनी बोरकर मैडम, गुड मॉर्निंग. यस. हरीश टाइगर्स, गुड मॉर्निंग हरीश. लवली. एंड दिया मनोहर फ्रॉम स्टार 500 फ्रॉम मैंगलोर. गुड मॉर्निंग दिया मैडम. एंड सर, नमस्ते सर, गुड मॉर्निंग. हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों को साथ देके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. यू पीपल आर इन्वॉल्वड इन द बिजनेस, राइट? And thank you. And we have Deepthi madam from Mumbai, Amshi Mumbai. Deepthi madam, good morning. Good morning. Gladlyn Krasta from Mangalore. Good morning, Gladlyn. Cyril John sir, good morning Cyril sir. As usual, looking very smart Cyril sir. Good. Cyril John. Brahmananda Bangalore. Super. Manju RP. मैं एक गैलरी से एक नाम ले रहा हूं, तो प्लीज डोंट माइंड गाइस. I love all of you. I just want to just buzz some people here. Manas Tiger Zinda hai. Good morning, Manas. Okay, right. Manas is one person who is going to be diamond very shortly. So I just will take Manas for a second here. Manas, good morning. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
good morning, sir.
Manas is building business in a digital platform very beautifully from Assam. I think Manas, you have accelerated your speed. आपका speed आपने accelerate किया diamond बनने के लिए digital के बाद. So please tell a little bit about that, so that our people will believe that digital diamondship is possible, because you are going to be Aadha digital, Aadha not digital. So you have achieved Sapphire in non-digital. From Sapphire to diamond, you are going to be through digital. So what is your experience? Because you are a perfect combination, like synergistic blend of online and offline model. Okay. So please tell me, Manas, what are your plans for your diamondship, and when you're planning your diamondship through the digital way?
Okay. सर एक्चुअली जब डिजिटल आ गया था, तो मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगा था along with the team कि digitally side things are not possible, but क्योंकि directly from corona आने के समय ही थोड़ा सा इनकम सबका थोड़ा सा ड्रॉप हो गया, तो मुझे लगा शायद जब सब कुछ ओपन हो जाएगा then it is possible. और मैंने अपनी माइंड में ऐसा बैठा लिया था कि when it will come again on offline, तब ये सब ठीक होगा, क्योंकि डिजिटल it is not possible. बट उसके बाद जब मैंने ये देखा कि ये नहीं हो सकता, कि कोरोना वायरस जाएगा, ये हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज ये कभी नहीं जाएगा, मैंने फिर जब भी मैंने ट्रेनिंग का सेशन किया, उसके बाद ये पता चल गया कि नहीं, अभी मुझे डिजिटली स्ट्रांग होना ही पड़ेगा. और मैंने अपने आप में थोड़ा सा इम्प्रूवमेंट किया कि डिजिटली क्या करने से अच्छा होगा, और मुझे पहले वो बिलीफ सिस्टम लाना पड़ेगा दैट डिजिटली काम होता है. जिस दिन से मैंने वो बिलीव लाया, उस दिन से मेरा टीम में वो बिलीव आ गया. So because we are all connected, क्योंकि मैं अगर as a like leader अगर मेरे ही दिमाग में वो बैठ जाएगा, तो of course वो डुप्लीकेशन हो जाता है immediately. लेकिन जब मैंने ये समझ लिया कि नहीं हो सकता है, and trust me sir, मेरे आगे वो रिजल्ट भी है. From like 20,000 इनकम तक आ गया था, but now digitally every week I'm not taking less than 1 lakh of rupees. Digitally मैं कहीं भी नहीं जा रहा हूँ. And मेरा यहाँ पे when से असम, मुझे ऐसा लगा था क्योंकि असम में कुछ एरियाज में, रिमोट एरियाज, जहाँ पे मतलब नेटवर्क का बहुत इश्यू होता है, लोगों को डिजिटली मतलब वो बुखार हो जाता है वो सुनने से, सर डिजिटली इज इट पॉसिबल? तो मतलब अभी उस एरियाज में, जिस एरियाज में लोग कभी मानते भी नहीं थे कि डिजिटली हो सकता है, द हाईएस्ट पीवीज आर स्टार्टेड कमिंग फ्रॉम दोस एरियाज जहाँ पे डिजिटली काम नहीं हो रहा था. सो आई बिलीव कि मैं सोच लिया था शायद मेरा डायमंडशिप में थोड़ा सा ज्यादा समय लग जाएगा, बट आई कैन एश्योर वन थिंग कि मेरा डायमंडशिप शायद 1 महीना और पहले हो जाएगा. एंड फॉर यस सर, तो मुझे अभी बिलीव हो गया, और ऐसा स्ट्रॉन्ग सिस्टम आ गया कि अभी मतलब हम लोगों के साथ इस तरीके से कभी, क्योंकि आपका प्रोग्राम मिलने के लिए, अपलाइंस का प्रोग्राम मिलने के लिए हमें बहुत टाइम रुकना पड़ता था. अभी लोगों को मैंने इस तरीके से एजुकेट किया, इस तरीके से समझाया, उन लोगों को ये समझ में आ गया कि मैं घर में बैठ के एक छोटा प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन मुझे डिजिटली मिल सकता है. आज यहाँ पे कितने लोग कनेक्ट हो गया, कहाँ आपको मिलते सर हम लोगों को, इस समय में आपको मिलना पॉसिबल ही नहीं था। ओके, तो आपको ऐसे मिल सकते हैं, लोगों को प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन इन ए सेकेंड, लोगों को प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन मिल जाता है। हाँ, थोड़ा सा समय लगा, लोगों को एडजस्ट होने में थोड़ा सा समय लगा, लेकिन वो जो समय लग गया ना, उसका अभी जैसे हम टाइम लेवरेज बोलते हैं, वो समय अभी फील हो रहा है। सपोज हम लोगों को 2 महीना लग गया उसको एडजस्ट होने के लिए, लेकिन अगला जो 2 महीना होगा वो पूरा कवर कर देगा जो 2 महीने का हम लोग का स्लो जा रहा था, क्योंकि ये डबल ट्रिपल होने स्टार्ट हो गया। तो आई बिलीव सर डिजिटली मैंने जिस दिन से बिलीव करना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो सब कुछ ठीक हो गया। एंड अभी मतलब मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है ये काम करके, और ये अभी मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा ही चले, क्योंकि मुझे अभी वो फिर से और ट्रैक में नहीं जाना है, ऑफलाइन ट्रैक में जाना ही नहीं, मुझे इसी ट्रैक में रहना है अभी। क्योंकि सबसे मजा ये है कि मैं टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, मैं सुबह उठा, बिस्तर से उठ के फ्रेश होके मैं यहाँ पे बैठ गया, ना मुझे गाड़ी निकालने का जरूरत है, कहीं पे प्रोग्राम में जाने का जरूरत है, मैं फ्रेश होके बढ़िया से यहाँ पे बैठ सकता हूँ। और उससे भी अच्छा चीज है कि टीम हम लोग का अलग अलग जगह में होता है, बहुत दूर दूर में होता है, सबको एक साथ एडुकेट करने के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता है। शायद मुझे 2 महीने में जो काम में करना होता है, आज एक दिन में 1 घंटे में मैं वो पूरा 2 महीने का काम 1 घंटे में यहाँ पे कर सकता हूँ। तो इससे बढ़िया और क्या हो सकता है। तो माय ओनली वन सिंपल मैसेज टू ईच एंड एवरीवन जो आज यहाँ पे पहली बार कनेक्ट हुए या जो लोग इस बिजनेस के अंदर नए हैं, कि पहले हम लोग को ये मानना पड़ेगा कि डिजिटली पॉसिबल है, डिजिटली सब कुछ पॉसिबल है आज की डेट में। क्योंकि हम अगर घर में बैठ के दुनिया का जो भी चीज चाहिए एक क्लिक करके मिल सकता है। व्हेन इंडस विवा इज गिविंग अस सच ए ब्यूटीफुल प्लेटफॉर्म, इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू से जब हमें वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा मानना जरूरी है। क्योंकि आज सर वन मोर पॉइंट आई वांट टू ऐड, देयर आर मेनी पीपल इन माय टीम जिन लोगों को फोन अच्छे से चलाना नहीं आया था, अभी उन लोगों को वो फोन चलाना आ गया, फोन कैसे ऑपरेट करना है वो आ गया, व्हाट इज जूम वो सब आ गया। कम से कम डिजिटल होने के वजह से बहुत ही आउटडेटेड लोग आज बहुत ही ज्यादा अपडेटेड हो गया, और उससे भी ज्यादा उन लोगों से भी बिजनेस आना स्टार्ट किया। That means as a whole, I would like to conclude that people have started enjoying doing business digitally. So my only one message to everyone ki that first we'll have to believe that everything is possible. इतना बढ़िया लग रहा है अभी ये प्रोग्राम करके, अब इतना बढ़िया से समझा रहे, सब कुछ हम समझ पा रहे हैं। और इजीली आप इस प्रोग्राम के बाद ही जो मिस हो गया, जिन लोगों को मिस हो गया, मैं ऑटोमेटिक उन लोगों को कनेक्ट करके फिर से इसको डिजिटली समझा सकता हूँ। सो इट इज मतलब हम इजीली अपने मैसेज को दूसरों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं वेरी इजीली। एंड देयर आर मेनी गुड पॉइंट्स शेयर बाय वेरियस लीडर्स कि अभी मतलब लोगों को अलग अलग जगह की लोगों को मिलने के लिए इजी हो गया। मतलब इजीली मैं अपनी मैसेज को यहाँ पे बैठ के बहुत जगह में फैला सकता हूँ। जैसे कि आप वहाँ पे बेंगलोर में बैठ के एंटायर इंडिया में, नॉट ओनली इंडिया, इंटरनेशनली आप सब जगह में इस बिजनेस को मतलब डिजिटली आप समझा सक रहे हैं, और आपके लिए भी इजी हो गया, हम लोगों के लिए भी इजी हो गया। द ओनली वन थिंग इज हम लोग को यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अपडेट होना पड़ेगा, जो मैं नहीं हुआ था पहले, जो बहुत लीडर्स नहीं हुआ था, और आज के डेट में जिन्होंने मान लिया उन लोगों का फिर से बिजनेस स्टेबल हो गया, और मुझे लगता है शायद 10-50 हजार रुपया ज्यादा अर्न कर रहे हैं अभी इस टाइम में।
Good.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द टाइम।
Thank you. And what is your total earning from Indus Viva?
So my total earning from Indus Viva is last week को मिला के it's 69,20,000.
69 lakhs. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And मानस आपके लिए और हमारे जितने भी यहाँ पर दर्शक हैं सब लोगों के लिए चैट बॉक्स में कुछ डाल रहा हूँ, एक बार पढ़ के बताइए मानस।
Okay. कर लो दुनिया, या सर। तो देयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग बाय धीरू भाई अंबानी, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में। तो दोस्तों अभी हम लोग को दुनिया मुट्ठी में करना है, ये धीरू भाई अंबानी से बोला गया है, और अभी हम लोग को ये मानना है कि अभी हम लोगों को दुनिया को अपनी मुट्ठी में करना है। टू स्टे डिजिटली एक्टिव एंड अपने आप को अपडेट कीजिए, डिजिटली इट इज पॉसिबल। सो हमें ये मानना पड़ेगा तो ये पॉसिबल है, नहीं मानोगे तो पॉसिबल नहीं है। बिकॉज इस समय में प्रेम सर ने लास्ट वीक को सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट इनकम लिया है, इट्स 4,80,000। आई थिंक वो ऑफलाइन भी सर को नहीं आया था, अभी ऑनलाइन आ रहा है। जस्ट इमेजिन कि एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल इफ यू थिंक फ्रॉम हियर दैट यस इट इज पॉसिबल। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, Manas. Thank you very much. And so, friends, let me take you to the. Can you see here, Arjun and Pravinji? Can you see the screen? White screen?
Yeah, white screen is there. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is a way of showing the plan. Now let me go into that subject a little bit. Yes. So let me take you through the process. Okay. how to show the plan. Okay, so this can be our title for today's, the next 15 minutes discussion. After that, we will wind up today's session. So with this idea, I want to just take it forward. So how to show the plan? So plan दिखाने का क्या क्या option है? So I want to just give you a roadmap. आप लोगों को digitally how to share the plan. I just want to put it here. Okay. So first step, I would take this step by step here. So the first step is, okay. Okay. Can you see here, Pravinji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prospecting ke baad, from here I will come. Okay. So after prospecting, the next step is share parable of the pipeline video. So after prospecting, share the parable of the pipeline video. Okay. So once you are sharing the parable of the pipeline, okay. Yes, Pravinji, can you see the screen?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. And share the video parable of the pipeline. Okay. So this is going to be your first step. Aapka ye pehla step hoga. Please follow this seriously. This is a very, very powerful way and many people are doing it. बहुत सारे लोग ये कर रहे हैं. Okay. So this is, I would say, the first way. And once they have seen this, what are the mediums through which you can communicate with people? Okay. So let me take you forward here. So you can invite for invite. Okay, invite. So where are the options? 1 to 1. One-on-one with upline, or you can go to Zoom VOP by Vibrant Viva. Okay. And this is going to be the next step, how to show the plan in the digital platform. Okay. ये होने के बाद next हम लोग जाएंगे इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा how to do the plan presentation. I'm going to share a little bit more on this here, friends. One second, my digital tool here is not showing up. Okay. So here, I want to just take it forward to show you something how you can do here. Okay. So when it is for on a one-on-one basis, जब आप one-on-one basis पर करते हैं, so there can be a Zoom call. One is what are the tools? One is you can use Zoom. And there are some people, those who are telling, I am not happy with Zoom. So, उनके लिए मैं एक option देता हूं यहाँ पर, Geo Meet, or you can go for Google. What is it called as Pravinji? Team? No.
Google Duo.
Google Meet.
Google Meet, sir.
Google Meet, yeah.
Google Meet. Otherwise, अगर कुछ लोग Geo भी नहीं यूज करना चाहते हैं, Google भी यूज नहीं करना चाहते हैं, then you have Microsoft Teams. Then we have WebEx.
Cisco WebEx.
Okay, so ये सभी Cisco WebEx, right?
Yes, sir.
Cisco WebEx, yeah. So these are the digital tools which you can use. One is the platform to communicate with people. ये हो गया आपका पहला step. Second one, what are the things you can use to communicate? Okay, 1 second. PPT can be used. PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint presentation. Right, PowerPoint presentation. And then third one, you can use powerfully videos also. Videos of existing program also, videos. Okay, and then fourth one, you can use some videos. कौन सा हो सकता है? It can be testimonials. Okay, testimonials, a business, or it can be products. Okay, दोनों testimonial आप use कर सकते हैं. Let me make this box a little big. This is becoming a little smaller here. Okay, Roji, can you see the screen? You're comfortable?
Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and now the fourth one is you can use a white board. So whiteboard. Even this videos can be for company profile. File video, products video, applying speech, and I would say sharing. Success sharing. Okay, so ये सब कुछ मैं आपको यहाँ पर दे रहा हूँ. This is not making you confused. I'm just trying to give you a little bit of clarity कि हम कैसे डिजिटल माध्यम से और भी बेहतरीन तरीके से हम लोग कर सकते हैं. So whiteboard is always good for using the business plan. Specifically, I would say compensation plan. 10 ways. Okay, 10 ways of earning this. You know, if somebody is exiting, it's keep on going, and every time I have to click 10 ways of earning. This has to be communicated in a whiteboard. ये बहुत ही easy होगा. So, guys, did you understand this? If you understood, just give me a thumbs up. I just want to see here. I know we have another 4 minutes. I will take exactly 4 more minutes. So digital tools. So the first thing is the Zoom app. You can use GeoMeet, you can use Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Cisco WebEx. Let me give the credit to them. Cisco WebEx, it's theirs. Okay, and then PowerPoint, PPTs आप लोग use कर सकते हैं, but PPTs are not very engaging. PPT इतना ज़्यादा engaging नहीं है, so इसीलिए I would say PPT can be for the profile of the company. कंपनी का प्रोफाइल जो है वो दिखाने के लिए you can use PPT. But when it comes to 10 different ways of earning, you have to shift from the PPT. PPT से आपको shift होना पड़ेगा into a whiteboard, because that will be more interactive, that will be more explanatory and connecting. Okay, अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा तो please give me a thumbs up. And videos, you can use it always. Let's say, for example, company program videos, testimonial video, अपलाइन का सक्सेस शेयरिंग का वीडियो, ये सब कुछ आप लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड द व्हाइट बोर्ड, हाउ यू कैन यूज, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ओके, आप लोगों को ये चाहिए जो मैंने यहाँ पर टाइप किया. इफ यू वांट इट, प्लीज टेल मी, आई विल सेव इट एंड शेयर इट. यू वांट दिस कॉपी? ओके, ओपन योर चैट बॉक्स एवरीबॉडी.
Yes, it would be good.
Yes, please open your chat box. I am just putting it in the chat box. देखो, अभी चैट बॉक्स में ये डालने का भी ये तरीका है. आप लोग अपने गेस्ट को जो प्लान दिखाया, you can share this with the guest. Okay, everyone in the meeting room, I'm going to share this file here again now. Whiteboard. Okay. Where is that whiteboard? Yes, show the plan. Okay, I'm going to open it. So did you get it? All the copy? Okay, it has gone to Basavaraju. Because many people are replying here. It is going to the person who is replying rather than the person intended. That's sometimes technology is a little crazy. I know. Okay, did you get the board, guys?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, good. So dosto, now let me go to the next sheet. Whiteboard. Now I'll tell you how to explain the income plan. Okay. So let's say आज मैं किसको demonstration में लेना चाहूँगा. Anybody who want to come as a demo, I will take it myself. Let me take it like this. So, sir, अभी तक मैंने आपको business plan, मतलब कंपनी का प्रोफाइल समझाया और मैं प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में समझाया. अभी मैं आपको प्लान समझाऊंगा नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स में. प्लीज यहां पर अपना ध्यान दीजिए. ओके सर, योर नेम इज, लेट्स से आई विल टेक अ विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स नेम, वसंती मैम. अच्छा, वसंती मैम आज हमारे साथ हैं. देन लेट मी से समबडी फ्रॉम द गैलरी. ओके, सो मिस्टर डेविड, और लेट मी, whom do I take? I'll take the prospect. Okay, I'll put it as a prospect. Okay, you type the name of the prospect. Name, it can be let's say David. Okay, let's say Mr. David is here with us. Okay, अच्छा डेविड जी, आपको मैं अभी बताऊंगा किस प्रकार से आप अपना बिजनेस डेवलप कर सकते हैं. सो पहले आप एक बॉक्स बना दिया, उसके बाद यू आर गोइंग टू मेक अ plan like this. You're going to say आपका left zone होगा, right zone होगा. आपने retail profit already explain कर दिया friends. So अभी आप उनको next business opening bonus समझाने वाले हैं. So you are going to say, sir, you will have 2 zones. आपको 2 zone दिया जाएगा. यहाँ पर आपके left में और आपके right में आपको एक zone दिया जाएगा. Okay, you can tell this and you can say you have sponsored somebody here with 200 PV. So when you sponsor somebody with a 200 PV, जब आप किसी को sponsor करते हैं तो आपका यहाँ पर income शुरू होता है. So Praveen ji, can you see the screen once again?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Business opening bonus. Thank you. Okay, business opening bonus. You will be paid for A, you will be paid 1,000 rupees, right? And for B, you will be paid 1,000 rupees, Indian rupees. Okay, so ये आपका business opening bonus हो गया. जब इनका भी 200 PV से business शुरू होता है, तो automatically you are earning 1,000 rupees. And now you can say the next type of bonus is called star reward. Okay, so star rewards. So if you finish within 1 week time, okay, you will be paid 1,000. And if you help A and B, आपको यहां पर टाइप करना होगा and B to you will be paid additional 2,000 rupees. ये हो गया आपका स्टार रिवॉर्ड. सो ये आपको समझाने के लिए there are many other ways. I'm just giving you one example here. जैसे for example, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to help Mr. A. इनके लेफ्ट में 200 PV आना पड़ेगा और उनके राइट में 200 PV आना पड़ेगा और इनके लेफ्ट में 200 PV आपको जनरेट करना पड़ेगा और इनके राइट में आपको 200 PV जनरेट करना पड़ेगा. ये थोड़ा सा आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन पुट इट लिटिल क्लोजर आल्सो. सो राइट दिस. जब आपने समझा दिया, सो ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज वेरी सिंपल. सो 200 PV, 200 PV, राइट. आई नो आप लोग ये सब जानते हैं, बट आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अ मॉडल प्रेजेंटेशन ताकि आप लोग इसको अपना सकते हैं. राइट. पीपल आर देयर विद अस स्टिल, प्रवीण जी, और दे आर गेटिंग बिजी?
No, they are already there.
हाँ,
They are there.
नो प्रॉब्लम. अगर आप लोगों का टाइम हो रहा है तो आप लोग आराम से यू कैन कंटिन्यू विद अदर वर्क्स. आई डोंट माइंड इफ यू कैन लीव आल्सो, नो इश्यूज, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू फिनिश दिस. टीम बोनस सीलिंग तक लेकर तो जाऊंगा मैं जरूर. ओके, सो दिस इज योर स्टार रिवॉर्ड. सो यू कैन यूज वेरी ब्यूटिफुली द टूल हियर. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, you have kept it here. देखिए यहाँ पर you can use this arrow very nicely and say, so this is going to be your business opening bonus. This is going to be, for example, let me put a circle around this. Okay, आपका ये हो गया and आपका ये हो गया. Okay, so by making them stars, so you have kind of helped them to achieve the star rank. Okay, and this is also the way of helping them. So because of this, and you should also, you can use the arrow like this. देखिए इनके स्पॉन्सर होंगे ये और इनके भी स्पॉन्सर होंगे ये और इनको पर्सनली इनको स्पॉन्सर करना पड़ेगा और इनका भी स्पॉन्सरशिप इनका होगा. सो ऑटोमेटिकली दे बिकम अ स्टार. स्टार के लिए यू कैन यूज दिस न्यू ब्यूटीफुल सिंबल. दे बिकम अ स्टार, ही बिकम अ स्टार. तो आप भी स्टार बन गए. सो वेरी नाइस, नो? You are using this very nicely. और इसके बाद you can say your total reward you are getting here is star reward, and you can use the arrow here. See, they became a star, so you are going to get star, rank, and this person also achieved the star rank, and this is going to be your star reward, right? So इस प्रकार से you can use the arrow very naturally like this, star rewards. And now let us go into the team bonus. You can go into the team bonus. So now we will talk about dual team bonus. Okay, how do you show the dual team bonus? So for this, again, you can use this very nicely. मैं आपको यहाँ पर बताऊंगा. So for example, you can move the arrow again and again, no problem. जितने बार चाहते हैं उतने बार आप इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. Star rewards, okay? And now we will go into the team bonus. Okay, team bonus के लिए आप बोल सकते हैं कि your team bonus starts from here. From here, यहाँ से आपका team bonus शुरू होता है. तो you can take this little bit upper also and say this is how you can show the team bonus here. Let this come a little bit down. Yes, okay. So now you can say the team bonus starts from here, sir, and you can draw one, maybe एक box आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. How many people are connected still? 926 people. Superb. Around 1,000 people still. So I continue. मैं continue कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. So you can say 200 PV. Okay, you can say it starts from like this, sir. 200 PV left, or you can say 100 PV left or 100 PV right. So you are entitled to earn 1,000 rupees. This is how you get your team bonus. So uske baad you can say when you have 500 PV in your left and 500 PV on your right, aapko milega 5,000 rupees. Okay, this you know very well. And after that you can say when you have 1,000 GV left, hey, come on, 1,000 GV left. Please bear with me. I'm just taking little more time today. 1,000 GV left. So aapka, okay, it is actually GV. I'm sorry. I've used PV. GV, okay, 100 GV because it's a group volume. I'm sorry for that. तो यहाँ पर again आपका income होगा 10,000 rupees. ये alignment सब आप don't worry. You can align it very well. जैसे for example, you can just put it like this. हो जाएगा. And इसके बाद जब आप automatically when you push it, it goes there, and you can take it up also if you want like this. Okay, and उसके बाद you can say when it is 10,000 GV आपके left में और आपके right में 10,000 GV, तो आपका income होगा 1 lakh rupees. This is very easy to explain to people, and then you can exit to the 25,000 bracket. 25,000 GV left में, और जब आपका राइट में 25,000 GV होगा तो आपका इनकम होगा 2,50,000 rupees in a week. So this can be the way you can present it. और आप जब ये करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली इसको थोड़ा हाईलाइट करना चाहेंगे तो यू जस्ट सेलेक्ट दैट, और वहां पर एक ऑप्शन है, इट्स कॉल्ड एज फॉर्मेट. गो टू फॉर्मेट एंड पुट इट इन रेड कलर, एंड उसका आप थोड़ा सा साइज भी बढ़ा सकते हैं. You can probably make it 36. Okay, this has become little more. So चलिए मैं थोड़ा सा कम कर देता हूँ, 24. Yes. So now you can show them that this is the weekly income maximum earning potential. So you can just put it here, right? Weekly maximum paid capping is again 2,50,000 rupees. So this way you will be able to do a great job जो यहाँ पर आप ये highlight कर रहे हैं. So through this लोगों को ये digitally you can communicate very nicely. Okay. So
सर इसमें एक 1,000 GB में ये एक्स्ट्रा 0 हो गया है सर.
0 हो गया. Yes, I know that. I'm seeing that. Okay. कौन सा?
Before saving.
Yes. Okay. This is good now.
हाँ सर, हाँ.
Thank you.
हाँ, good.
So this can be the highlight. आप यहाँ पर ये आपका one-on-one presentation के लिए you can use this particular format. Okay. So hope today's tools what we discussed, how to present the plan, it helps you. And dual team bonus का भी आप यहाँ पर एक arrow use कर सकते हैं. जैसे for example, it's here. So Praveen ji, we'll wind up another 1 minute. Just bear it with me. Yes. So dual team bonus can be explained like this, and it can go a little bit higher. ये थोड़ा ऊपर भी हो सकता है. Yes, Yes. So this is your ceiling. Okay, good. 8:40. Sorry, friends. I think we extended today for 10 minutes. So I'm going to save this. How many of you want this? Please ask me. I'll give you a copy. If you want, please ask for a copy. Super. Okay. Okay. So this can be our one-to-one presentation. इस week का ज़्यादा हम लोग we didn't go into the content part because friends, I just wanted to make sure that physically you are able to do this. Okay, I think I've sent it. Yeah, you can open that. Pravinji, did you get the copy? Arjun, did you get a copy?
Yeah.
Oh, it has again gone to some Banerjee. I just selected people in the meeting. It has gone to Banerjee. Okay, I think now it has come to everybody. If you get it, please give me a thumbs up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got it. We got it.
Okay, okay, beautiful. So the friends, how to show the business plan. I think today you people got a very clear picture. And अभी देखिए, for example, आपका 1 hour का presentation हो गया, उसके बाद how to see what you have seen before. See, you can go like this. See, friends, we were discussing this one before, right? Before that, we were discussing this one. Before that, we were discussing this one. So everything is available यहाँ पर. So चारों pages का copy मैंने chat box पे डाल दिया. I think you people got it. So enjoy this, guys. So I had a wonderful experience today sharing with all of you my knowledge about things. So just for the winding up, Pravinji, do you have national anthem?
1 second.
I think you can just keep the national anthem. So thank you very much, friends, for joining me today morning. I think we had a nice enriching learning. I had the most learning, I could say. By teaching is the best way of learning, I believe always. So this is how I have been using. मैं इस प्रकार से अपना digital tools का इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. And let me tell you, in the digital world, हर आदमी को, हर participant को front row मिलेगा. यहाँ पर जैसे I am in the front row, you are in the front row. So this is not possible in an auditorium. आप पीछे बैठेंगे, second row में बैठेंगे, third row में बैठेंगे. But in the digital world, everybody gets the front row. So this is what is the highlight of today's experience. And I think today we have covered the 4th step of what I was talking, showing the plan. So to next week, what is the topic for next week? Anybody here? Please remind me. What's the topic for sales closing or follow up? I think tomorrow is follow up. Probably. What is for the next week?
Follow up, sir. Follow up.
Follow up. Okay. So friends, next week. Pravinji, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
So now in this process, next week, we will be learning the amazing online digital follow-up methodology, जिसको हम लोग business में use करेंगे. So you will be able to use this in a very wonderful manner. So with